Hello. So, that looks so serious. Especially dexterity of the right hand. Anyway, we took some films. There's a lot of congenital deformity of the spine.
Yeah. Do this way? She has a bit more trouble with the left one.
The opposite's what I've got the greatest correction on, and I'm sure it's created the greatest change.
Definitely piercing that opposite. You can see she's got a little bit of congenital deformity. You wouldn't quite call this a hemi vertebra, but definitely this vertebra didn't grow the same on the right side as it did on the left. The entire body height of C7 is actually a lot less than what it should be, and it's also splayed out to match the width of that T1.
It's okay. It's okay. Sorry,
She's definitely struggling to pick that up. Can you just press to an end like that? That was good. Okay, that was good. Okay. It's okay.
Gusto na lang ta? Ha?
That's knuckle? Okay. You need a little more. If that's the nerve pressure that's causing this dexterity problem, you should be able to pick up that coin. Oh, good. That was good. Let's have a look. One more time. A lot better. Smiles better. So much better. This is your practice point. See you again. You come back and saw us again. Come and have a seat, sweetheart.
Whoa!
You see that? Oh, she's much better at that.
If you see the first one, the hand just completely flips over to that side.
Yeah, I mean, even last week she could touch her fingernails, but that is a lot more difficult to do that.
Carry on.
Bye-bye.